It's day 12 of Can You Learn the Tense Before the Song Ends. Today's song, a little bit of Demi Lovato, a little bit of Louis Fonsi, who you will know from Despacito. It's called Échame la Culpa, definitely worth a listen. And the tense today is the perfect tense irregular verbs. And as promised, once we finish this video, we are done with our past tenses. Woohoo! We've only got, though, 2 minutes 53 seconds. Actually quite short for irregular verbs, but we're gonna do what we can. So, vámonos. Reminder that the perfect tense is like have done. So, have gone, have been. But yesterday we saw that with regular verbs, we use the conjugation of the verb haber. So, has, ha, hemos, habéis, han. So that's the first part, the have part. And then we add the past participle. And the regular verbs we saw yesterday, the past participle always ends in ado or ido. So today we're looking at irregular verbs. The thing that makes them irregular is how we form the past participle. So we're going to look at the 5 most important irregulars. And they are as follows. I'm going to give you them in the example of I have. I have done, he hecho. I have seen, he visto. I have said, he dicho. I have opened, he abierto. I have written, he escrito. Okay, now over to you. What does he hecho mean? I have done. Bien. ¿Cómo se dice he visto? I have seen. Excelente. ¿Cómo se dice he dicho? I have said. Bien. ¿Cómo se dice he abierto? I have opened. Good. ¿Y cómo se dice he escrito? I have listened. Perfecto. Right, now I'm flipping that over. So, ¿cómo se dice I have done? He hecho. Bien. ¿Cómo se dice I have seen? He visto. Bien. ¿Cómo se dice I have said? He dicho. ¿Cómo se dice I have opened? He abierto. And ¿cómo se dice I have written? He escrito. Bien, right. And now the last step of these irregular videos is always to put them into a sentence. So I'll give you the sentence, there's a gap for the verb, you gotta decide which of the verbs goes in the gap. So, sentence 1. Mi cuaderno. Yes, that would be he abierto mi cuaderno. Maybe your teacher's been like, open your book. You're like, I have opened my book. 2. Que no. Again, really good for like talking back to someone. If you've already said no once and you'd be like, he dicho que no. I said no. Número 3. Muchas películas españolas. He visto muchas películas españolas. I have seen lots of Spanish films. No, mis deberes. That should be no he hecho mis deberes. I have not done my homework. Finally, una carta a mi abuela. Bien, he escrito una carta a mi abuela. And there we go. Past tenses, done. Perfect tense, done. Hopefully you're feeling so much more confident with this. And if you're not, well, the video is only 3 or 4 minutes long, so you can go back and re-watch them. And I will see you next week when we're gonna start looking at future and conditional. Hasta la próxima semana.